Hi, I'm Jess.
And I'm Greg.
We're from RUFFLY, and thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of our knotted camera straps. We want to help you live extraordinary together with your dog every day. That's why RUFFLY builds premier outdoor dog gear that does good, goes everywhere, and looks amazing. Our knotted camera straps are leather-free, color-fast, and expertly artisan built in small home workshops here in the Guatemalan highlands. The camera straps feature top quality hardware, which includes dual stainless swivel lobster clips, along with dual stainless length adjusters.
The decorative knotted band is made from thousands of tiny hand-tied knots. It comes in two unique designs. Northern Lights is this constant series of colored bands, and Tailwinds is a spontaneous, ever-changing set of designs. It's available in 5 distinctive colors. There's Huckleberry Purple, Primrose Pink, Woodlands Brown Green, Riptide Blue, and Bushfire Red.
Beneath the knotted band is a reflective ribbon. During the daytime, the light reflects off of the strap and gives it a beautiful shimmer. At night, oncoming headlights or street lights will reflect off of the strap, just making it a lot more visible.
Plush hand-woven fabric frames the knotted band and the reverse of the strap. It's naturally dyed, color-fast, and completely machine washable. So beneath the knotted band, the reflective ribbon, and the hand-woven fabric, you have heavy-duty nylon webbing to give this a really sturdy backbone.
The knotted strap comes in 2 styles. The Luxe is 1.5 inches wide, and the Minimalist Trekker is 3/4 inches wide.
RUFFLY Premier Outdoor Dog Gear is runway ready, outdoor tough, and does good. Your purchase of RUFFLY gear supports hard-working indigenous women artisans and tailors. They're skilled craftspeople who work from small, sustainable home workshops in the Guatemalan highlands. We pay fair wages to kind, dedicated people who are passionate about the work they do. We believe in doing business in a way that benefits dogs, people, and the environment, and you make it possible.
In terms of the strap length, for the Luxe, the Huckleberry and Primrose come in 31 to 42 inch length. The Woodlands, Riptide, and Bushfire come in 36 to 55 inches. For the Minimalist Trekker, it's a one size at 36 to 55 inches.
My favorite feature of the Luxe and the Minimalist Trekker is the integrated foam padding at the neck. It's really lush and it's just so comfortable when you have it around your neck.
And don't forget, with the dual stainless length adjusters, you can make sure that that cushioning is always right where you need it.
Thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of our knotted straps. If you have any questions about colors, sizing, or anything else, feel free to reach out to us through our Contact Us page or through our live chat app at goruffly.com. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.